Hello, crypto elites, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be discussing Bitcoin and XRP. We're going to be going over the current moves they'll be making in the market over the last few weeks, and also where I believe we think that we're going in the next few weeks upcoming. So up on screen, we have the XRP chart. XRP, we've been getting quite a bit of price action lately. As you can see, we ranged all the way from the 35 cent mark up to the 58 cent mark. We have been trading within our sideways channels. I know if you look on screen, the yellow lines are quite faint, but try and bear with me. As you can see, we've been using these sideways channels to rage in, using them as resistance and support. Since the 21st of March up until the 30th of April, we have been trading above our moving averages. We created our golden cross around about this point here, where we've seen prices then fly to the upside. The predicament we are in now is that we was using our 50-day moving average as support, but we have actually broke down below our support line, and we are now using the 200-day moving average as support. It does look to be that we are about to break this support line and bounce above it, having this wick above the support line overnight, and we look to be trying to trade back up until the 50-day moving average, probably hitting the prices around about the 50 cent mark. There is a chance that we could get rejected and we could use the 200-day moving average as support. So it's sort of like 50-50 in terms of which direction we're going to go in. XRP is one of the first to actually start ranging off this green line, which is a 200-day moving average. Which brings me on now to the Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin, we are in a similar situation to XRP, but not quite at the level that XRP is at now by trading on this green line here, the 200-day. We are in this sideways moving channel. If you can see this white line here and a white line there, this is called a sideways moving channel. We do seem to be using it as support as we speak, and we also, if you follow my cruiser, we are using the trend line on the Fibonacci retracement to also use the candlesticks as support. This could have a breakdown in the next few days, or we could see a reversal back to the upside. If we do break below this line, we could be sitting on top of this support line. We haven't used this green line as support, which is I would say, bear me one moment, the $25,500 mark. We haven't used it as support before. If we look back, we can see that we've used it as resistance here, 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 and here. It's been resistance for quite some time. Maybe once we start using it as support, we can actually start to see a bigger bounce back up to the upside to then relive with this 100-week moving average as we see here. Since the beginning of my YouTube videos, I did state that we will be touching this 100-week moving average. Whether it's now or later, we will be trading above it, just because history says that Bitcoin is more comfortable sitting above the 100-week moving average than it is sitting below it. So if we do have a breakdown below here, we should be looking at a short for Bitcoin, and potentially that short will take us all the way down to the $22,500 mark. If we do see a pump above it, we could see a potential bounce off this resistance line, or we could see a break above it to reach the 100-week moving average. It's a bit of a 50-50. As we can see, we're halfway between the 100-week moving average and we're halfway between the 200-day moving average. So only time will tell. We have had a wick down here to touch this support line, but what it does next is completely down to the markets. I will be monitoring it, and I will be stating whether this is a short or a long. So if you haven't already done so, stay subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't already done, leave a comment below and tell me what coins you would like me to cover, just so I could get some new and more up-to-date content out there. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.